As a professional painter, do you ever wish you had more control over the quality of paint you use? Imagine being able to produce your own high quality paint that not only meets your standard but also elevate your work to the next level. Sounds exciting, right? In today's video, I'll be explaining why every professional painter should also know how to produce high quality paint. Whether you're just getting started or you've been painting for years, understanding the science behind paint production can set you apart and save you money. By the end of this video, you will see how being both a painter and a paint manufacturer can transform your career. As a painter, you already understand what makes a great finish, smooth application, long-lasting colors, and durability. By producing your own paint, you can control every aspect of that process. No more relying on brands that might cut corners. You will know exactly what in your product and you will be able to tweak the formula to match your needs. Think about the times you have struggled with low quality paint, how much time and energy it cost you. Now imagine never having to face that frustration again. Yeah, why the magic happens. When you're both a painter and a paint manufacturer, you have an edge over other in the industry. You can create customized colors for clients, tailor textures for specific projects, and even cut down on production costs by making your product. Plus, you will have complete confidence in the quality of what you are using. The biggest benefit, you are no longer just using paint, you are creating it to enhance your craft. Let me tell you about someone who made this shift. James is one of my students, a professional painter for over a decade. Felt frustration with the inconsistencies in the paint quality from his suppliers. He decided to learn paint production from us, and within a month, he was not only producing his own paint but also selling it to fellow painters. His reputation skyrocketed and his income doubled. And so far, lots of my students since 2014 to date. To produce high quality paint, you need to understand a few key components like binders, pigments, solvents, and additives. Each of these plays a role in the texture, coverage, and durability of the paint. When you understand this element, you can adjust them to create a perfect paint for your specific project. No more guessing or delay with sub products. You don't need to be a chemist or a scientist to start learning paint production. There are courses, tutorials, and resources out there designed for painters like you who want to take control over their craft. Start small by experimenting with basic paint formulation and see how different chemicals change the final result. If you want to fast track your learning, I offer a course where I teach about becoming a professional paint manufacturer from scratch. Imagine the freedom and confidence that comes with creating your own paint. Not only will you elevate your craft, but you will also open up new opportunities, whether it is producing paint for other painters or improving your client work with custom high quality finishes. If you are ready to take control of your paint quality and level up as a paint, subscribe to this channel and check out the free guide I have created to get you started in paint production. Don't just be a paint, be a master of your craft from start to finish. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on paint production, painting techniques, and color mixing. Home decor improvement. Drop a comment below if you have any question and I'll see to it. Bye for now.